Rainy days and Mondays. I actually don't give a fuck about Mondays. I love me some rainy days, most definitely. The most chill, relaxing vibe I could possibly have with some good ass music and some medication on. Sounds like a good time to me. About to check out this live performance right here. See what the hell is going on. Drop me a comment, let me know what you think. Simple as that. Let's get it.
Talking to myself and feeling old. Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. What I've got they used to call the blues. Nothing is really wrong. Feeling like I don't belong. Walking around some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down. Funny, but it seems I always wind up here with you. Nice to know somebody loves me. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. Who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel has come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down.
It always takes me like a quick second to get into the song with her for some weird ass reason, but I always end up liking the damn song. You know what I mean? So I know this lady is not to be slept on at all. You know what I mean? 2-0 on my book so far. So I'm gonna take it upon myself to do a couple more reactions on this lady right here and pay some attention to her music and see what she has brought to the table. You know what I mean? Because so far, I've been enjoying it. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think.